Hey guys, today I'm going to show you a fidget cube that I just received. It's one of the only knockoff fidget cubes available here in India right now, and the original is too costly for me. I wasn't able to find many knockoffs here as well, so let's get to it. The first thing that I noticed is that the box is quite small, much smaller than I expected, because I've seen some videos and it appears to be a larger box in those videos, and of course it's because of a different seller. So I bought this fidget cube for about rupees 549. That's $8 approximately. So let's open the box and see how it is. Alright, here it is, my very own fidget cube. So I ordered a variant in which only the buttons are red and the rest of it is black, and it looks quite well. So let's get to it. So this is the fidget cube, the knockoff fidget cube, I must add, because the original isn't available right now, and it's too costly anyways. So let's see. Looks quite well. There's the worry stone and it's soft. It has got good edges. There's the switch, and it clicks properly, no problem there at all. There's a rotation disc and it's smooth as well. Let's get to the buttons. They work too. These are the three audible buttons and these are the silent buttons, the two silent buttons here. Alright, this is the gear side. This is the metal ball. Alright, so the metal ball is kind of stuck there. It's not easy to move at all. And the gears are smooth. The gears roll quite easily. There's no issue there. So the only thing left is a joystick. And let's try it. So the joystick function works quite well, and let's try clicking it. Alright, so it doesn't click at all. That's I think in fidget cubes the joystick is supposed to be clickable, but this one isn't. You can roll it like a joystick, but you can't do anything else with it. And it creates that sound, but you can't do anything else with it. So except for the ball, everything is actually very decent. I was expecting some sort of bad product to reach me, because the price is quite justifiable here. And it's a product not widely available. But if you're looking for a fidget cube in India right now, I'd definitely recommend this one. The cost is good, the material is good, and the product and delivery itself is good. Just for information, I ordered this from fidgetcube.in. That's a website available here. And hope this product review was helpful.